Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on keras and CNN, such as Python facial expression using keras, then Python image classification using CNN, then Python traffic sign recognition using keras and CNN, and many more videos on keras and CNN. Today's video is really innovative. Today's video is all about Python using keras Bollywood dataset for face recognition using CNN, as everyone is scared of Bollywood. So let us see in detail. Importing required library is needed for the program. Then next part, folder path, and this part, the data set is used to test generative and face recognition model that can be used to reconstruct the image samples using generative models. Next part, pickle. It is used for pickle representation of object to open object file. Next part, model is equal to keras. The task is to transfer learning of ResNet trained with ImageNet for model that identify images. Next part, extracting features of the image, then features, then this part, embedding the images, and next part, detector is equal to MTCNN. Keras application are deep learning models. MTCNN library used for face detection written by GitHub. Then all this part of displaying the image of Shah Rukh Khan, and this part, all this is for image processing to display the image on the matplotlib. Here we have seen matplotlib. Here we have seen matplotlib. So it is all about displaying the image on the matplotlib. Predicted 5 images. So this is all about the digital image processing. This part is all about the digital image processing. Now I'll execute the program to display the image. Plot IMQ to display the image. Now I will execute the program. The program will take some time to load the data set and to display the images. So it will take some time. So please be patient for the video. Yes. Now it has been starting. It will take 8664. Up till now we'll have to just watch how the data set is. So I had done a lot of videos on machine learning. I learned a lot of videos on Python. I really struggled a lot on Python. Also had done videos on Python connectivity to Postgres database. I also done videos on Python connectivity to MySQL database. Also some interesting videos on Python connectivity to MongoDB database, displaying graph using MongoDB database, and pandas. I also done some videos on pandas. So please watch my all videos on Python. Also I had done some videos on C and C++, which became really popular, like C language connectivity to MongoDB, C++ connectivity to MongoDB, then C language connectivity to MySQL, C language connectivity to Postgres. These videos are really interesting and creative. Also I have done some videos on Node.js. I find it very interesting. And I have started doing right now some videos on AngularJS. I will continue with AngularJS later on. Also, I done some videos on React.js, and I have done some interesting videos on cyber security also, like introduction to cyber security and cyber security using machine learning and AI. These videos are really, please watch that videos. And I started my YouTube by doing the programs on PHP, because I'm teaching PHP, so I started doing the programs on PHP, and afterwards I shifted to Python, and lot of time I spent on Python, and after that I started that why not go to Node.js, or why not go to Angular. Also, I done some videos on Java, very interesting graphs and this thing. Java with database connectivity using graph, and JSP also I don't know the graph, and so if you will find it very informative about Java videos. Also, some Ajax with Java and Ajax with PHP. You will find it really interesting and innovative PHP videos with Ajax, and I will be doing videos on Node.js later on. So please be patient. The process is going on. You can see it is 26%, and we need 100%. So also C language operating system. I have done using C language. I have done some videos on operating system, like creation of threads, and how the threads are created, and how priorities are assigned to threads, and how threads execute using their priority. Also, I have done videos on IPC, interprocess communication in Linux operating system, which is very very important according to the shell scripting point of view. So now it is 32%. Please be patient. Please be patient. So, but when I do videos on machine learning, I find it really interesting, something innovative. Also, when I do programs on C and C++ and operating system, GCC compiler, using GCC compiler, I've done some videos on operating system. That also I find it really interesting. When you interact with the Linux operating system, you get closer to the operating OS. When you interact with the Linux OS, you get closer to the operating system. That's what I want to say. So very good operating system Ubuntu is. So be patient. Now it is 39%. These programs are little bit interesting, that's why it takes some time, but don't worry, it will finish within short time. And a lot of things are going on Python. So Python is very good language. And each and every video of machine learning, you will find it of me very interesting, very innovative. So please watch my machine learning videos of Python. Everything, each and every video I have done on Linux operating system, on Ubuntu. So now it is becoming 47%. Yes, now it is growing up. It will shortly reach to 100%. Please be patient. So GCC compiler is also good compiler. the advanced program of C language which are done using thread and interprocess communication, that are easily compiled by GCC compiler and executed by object file. Bollywood celebrities that are everyone knows, everyone is interested in Bollywood celebrities. So we will have some images of Bollywood celebrities, heroes. So please be patient. Now it is 55%. It will shortly reach to 100%. Please be patient. Now it is 4,800 and now it is reaching to 8,664. %, yes, yes, please be patient. Yes, it is 60%. Now it is easily moving towards 100%. So please be patient. I also done videos on database such as Postgres, installation of Postgres, then installation of MongoDB, that are very much important in today's era. Also I done videos on triggers, then executing functions in MySQL, executing query in MySQL. So you will find each and every video interesting and innovative. So please watch my all videos. Now it is 67. Yes, yes, yes. The moving fast. Yes. When it comes nearer to 100%, no, it will move fast. So please be patient. Now it is 72%. For loading the data set and this part, it will take some time. You might have observed in one video also it was taking some time. So this is next video, second video, that is taking time. So Node.js connect, we have seen, as I have gone through videos of Node.js, the Node.js connectivity to MySQL, Node.js connectivity to MongoDB. Very interesting videos. Yes, now it is 80%. Now it is coming nearer to 100%. Yes. Please be patient. Yes. When first image will be displayed, that is of Shah Rukh Khan, Bollywood celebrities. Yes, 83%. Yes, 84%. Yes. Now it is moving fast. Yes. So please be patient. 87. Now it will move fast. 89. Now it is nearer to 100%. Yes. Yes, please be patient. Now it is finishing up. Processing is finishing up. 94%. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. 95. Now it will soon reach 100%. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, 100%. Yes, first image. Salman Khan, and here name is also displayed. Hrithik Roshan, and here name is also displayed. Face detection and recognition. Then it is again Salman Khan. Then it is again Salman Khan. Then it is Shahid Kapoor, detection and name. So I have successfully done with Python keras Bollywood dataset for face recognition using CNN. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.